After a long time of dealing with the noise, stress, and endless rush of city life, there is nothing more refreshing than a peaceful escape to the village, surrounded by green fields, fresh air, and the warmth of good friends. We finally get the chance to slow down and breathe, free from distractions and pressures. A simple picnic in nature becomes the ultimate reset, reminding us of the joys that come from being present in the moment. The world here is quieter, and every moment is filled with the sounds of nature. In the village, life slows down, and we can truly appreciate the beauty of the world around us. No rush, no worries, just freedom and peace with my homies. We shared
We
stories,
drink Coke
enjoyed
in
good food, and
Mojos bottle
enjoy in
and
the
water
beauty
in
of
Coca-Cola's
life
bottle.
that
That's
doesn't require
how we
constant
support
striving.
Palestine.
This moment, this simple escape, reminded me that sometimes the best way to recharge is to reconnect with the nature and the people who matter most.
গালাগালি দেয় বাড়া একটু খেয়ে দেখি তো কেমন হয়েছে তুমি আমার ছবি তুলে দিছো থ্যাংক ইউ লবণ লাগবে না মামা মামা ভাইয়া ব্যান কে লারে কাজের নাম কি জানি থ্যাংক ইউ